Hello again. Now we're going to take a quick look at aVenture's platform for venture capital-backed companies and how you can use it to research and invest. For research, aVenture has a database of nearly every US venture-backed company for at least the last 15 years, and many of the funds that have backed them whenever the data is available. Imagine being able to find and compare companies by their growth and risk characteristics just as you would a public company. You can sort by things like their profitability, revenue, venture stage, sector, technology used, and more, and compare them to other companies for benchmarking. You can also use this data to evaluate the type of investments a fund is making and evaluate the manager's investment prospects before investing. You can make sure that your future investments are complementary to your portfolio strategy and are not duplicative or contradictory. Then, when you're ready to invest, it's just a few clicks away. You can search for a fund just like you did on the research side and then evaluate it with similar and added metrics. Then when you're ready, you can make the investment right from your account via a direct Plaid link to your bank, all securely from your aVenture account. You can make investments automatically and on an ongoing basis and make changes or withdrawal requests all from your online account. Lastly, you can view your entire portfolio by a variety of metrics, such as holding, manager, sector, geography, and more at any time, all in one place. And that's aVenture.